Today I'm going to show you how to turn these soda cans into a hunting slingshot. A lot of people drink soda, but they actually forget what you can make out of these. I'm going to be using an assortment of aluminum objects to make the slingshot. I'm going to primarily be using soda cans, and then also I have a bunch of these pieces of aluminum. This is from an old pump, and then I have these extras from other pours that I've done before. So here we go. For the mold for the slingshot, I'm using this wooden slingshot that I made, and we're gonna put it in sand and then pack sand around it and then take it out. So this is gonna be our mold. So here we go. There's still a little bit in here, but you see how it didn't bubble? That means it was a good pour. Good, but we're gonna pull the slingshot out of the sand and see what it turned into. Ooh, looking good. We got two actually poured, but I think this one turned out better. But we're still gonna do both of them. We gotta cut and start grinding. So here we go.
Do you tighten this?
I got the slingshot all sanded up and grounded down, but now I am gonna make the bands for it and get the bands put on it. But look at that slingshot, how smooth and shiny. This thing will be really good. I got the slingshot finished and I got the bands on it. I put double bands to make it more powerful, but we're gonna now shoot it and see how powerful it is.